welcome back to my channel. Ronsay here. So let's get started. This hairstyle today, guys, is a really quick one. It's another quick hairstyle.
Me, I go do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Bad man feel do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Girl, you the kill me with your style, oh. Me, I the craze for your style, oh. I say, girl, you the kill me with your bone.
And once I'm done combing my hair, I'm first of all going to part the hair in the middle.
For you, I go put scholar for you. Bad man feel cola for you.
So now I am going to use this Eco Styler gel. I'm going to apply this onto my hair.
You na me wankanda, wankanda. You na me wankanda, oh na na wankanda. Sina you na me wankanda, oh me wankanda. You na me honey yo, mommy yo. Sina you na me honey yo. Mommy yo, tell you na me honey yo. Mommy yo, say na you na me honey yo.
I'm going to just use my edge brush and then brush right here on the edges to make sure that I get it so laid down. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then once I'm done on this side, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Girl, I say you so beautiful. You know the one where they make a feel so good. Every day me a lady you. Cause you na me honey, you the only with your style and the body. Anytime I need you na me side, got it ready. Girl, you so sweet, you na me milk and me honey. Anytime I see you pretty girl, I the jolly. Girl, you so classic, romantic, fancy, fantastic. Anytime I need you na me side, you they can't find it in me life. I see you na profit. You, cause you na me wankanda, wankanda. See na you na me wankanda.
Trying to get this hair together, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make a knot here. But you all know my hair is still growing slowly, but I'm still on it, you know. So don't give up, you're gonna get that knot, okay? Just keep going, keep brushing the hair, keep putting the gel, and just keep pulling it down together, trying to get it slick, and you're gonna get there. So I am just going to do this and get the bond right on the back, and then we're gonna continue. So keep watching.
Wankanda, sina you na me wankanda, wankanda.
So now I'm going to get the knots, you know, I'm just gonna secure it right here, and then I will go again. And also my edge brush, I'm gonna use it like so, and then, you know, put this hair together.
Say na you na me honey yo, mommy yo. Tell you na me honey yo, mommy yo. Say na you na me honey yo, mommy yo. Me I like your body, baby, you dey give me fire. Girl, I like your body, baby, you dey give me fire. I like the way you do me coco. Oh baby girl, you know me coco. I like to call me on the name for your love, I go the fire. I like the way you do me coco.
And once I'm done, I'm just going to wrap my hair with a head wrap, and I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back 20 minutes later. So I'll be using 1.5 pack for this braid, and this hair is 1 bag. That's what you can see here.
For you, bad my people cola for you.
With a hairband, I'm going to make sure that I just secure that on my knot. And once I'm done, I'm going to just put the hair like so in the front, and I am going to first of all part the hair into 3 sections. And once I get the hair into the 3 sections, I am going to start braiding the hair. So make sure you watch this part, because this is the most important part in this tutorial.
You na me honey yo, mommy yo. Tell you na me honey yo, mommy yo. Say na you na me honey yo.
So now I'm going to separate the hair in 3 sections like so, and then I am going to start with the braid. As I braid, I'm going to be pulling small strands of hair. You will see that. Just keep watching this till the end.
So good every day, me a lady you. Cause you na me holly, you the me with your style and the body. Anytime I need you na me side, you got the ready. Gally you so sweet, you na me milk and me honey. Anytime I see you pretty gal, I the jolly. Gally you so classic, romantic, fancy, fantastic. Anytime I need you na me side, you the can't find it in me life. I see you na profit. Cause you na me one kanda. One kanda. See na you na me one kanda. One kanda, yeah, you na me one kanda. Oh na na, one kanda. Say na you na me one kanda. Oh me one kanda. Yeah, you na me honey yo, mommy yo. Say na you na me honey yo, mommy yo. Yeah, you na me honey yo, mommy yo. Say na you na me honey.
I am now going to wrap the hair, and I am going to secure this with some bobby pins. So make sure you prepare your bobby pins and secure this hair, and that's what you see me doing right now.
Oh baby girl, you know me come Cuba. I love to call me on the name for your love, I go the fire. I love the way you do me come. Oh baby girl, you know me come Cuba.
I am going to add another braid in the back. I'm gonna just wrap it first on the knot that I make, so that in the end you're gonna see that braided knot in the back later on. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna now take the other braid that I left here on the side like so. I will just wrap it over so that I have a one big knot in the back like so. So once I'm done with that, I'm also gonna continue securing it. I just add more bobby pins if you have to. You have to make sure that the entire braid on your head is secure. So go in with the bobby pins. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a flexi rod and just wrap the hair over the flexi rod.
For your body, yo. Be sweetie lady, yo. Me, I go do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Bad man feel do everything for you. I go do everything for you. Gally, you the kill me with your style, oh. Me, I the craze for your style, oh. I say, Gally, you the kill me with your bunko. Yeah, the beds for you bunko. Hey, me, I go put scholar for you. I go put scholar for you. Bad man feel put cola for you. I go put scholar for you. Cause you know me one kanda. One kanda. See now you know me one kanda. One kanda.
So now I'm going to dip all this flexi rods in the hot water.
See now you know me one kanda.
Once they're dried, I am now going to unwrap the hair from the flexi rod.
Mommy yo, say now you know me honey yo.